Welcome back. Let's learn how to create a design from the scratch through the use of Canva. I'll be right back with all the steps. Welcome back. So this time we are going to be learning how to download, how to work direct from the beginning on Canva. So I'm going to the home page. So you will see over here it is written there create a design. So I click on create a design and then it will ask me custom design. So I should customize the size I want. If I don't actually know the size, there are sizes over here. Facebook event cover 1920 by 1080. That's a very lovely one. Although I also use it for my video editing material and more. There are a lot of them. There are Instagram size, which is about 1080 by 1080 and more. So let's start with the YouTube size, which is 1920 by 1080 BC. So with this now, this is what I'm going to be using. I'm designing from the scratch, as I said. So they'll be bringing a lot of templates, and I'm going to be telling them, no, I don't need this template. So in the classroom, I want to welcome maybe I want to give them some rules in the classroom, and I want to display my name and also my picture on the projector screen in the classroom, and I need a design. So let's use this. I'm going to go to picture, photo. Let me write there, welcome back to school. So a lot of materials over here. Yeah, a lot of them. I love this with the use of notes marks, and this is not bad at all. It's just that you need to, oh yeah, COVID save. Yes, this is not bad at all, but that's not my aim. Yes, this is nice. See what I'm going to be using, and I delete the other one. So this is the design I'm using. It's a book, and I'm going to be adding my picture here, like the children they're about to color my face. So I'm going to be going to elements, and I will write there frame. Frames will give you like something like this that you can use to add your picture. So if you want to add your picture like on a phone right now, how do you add your picture like on the phone? So after adding this, just go to your upload. Any picture you have there, this is one of my picture, just drag it in, then you drag in inside the phone. So this is the phone aspect. Let me go back to elements. Although I'm going to be using, let me use this. This is what I'm going to be using. So I delete the phone back. Just use that phone as example. So I go back to my upload, and I drag my picture in. Then I will tell my students, let me go to text. This time let's explore text, and there are a lot of lovely text also. Apart from there are a lot of lovely text I've actually seen so far. I've seen a lot. Let me use this one. Welcome to the class. I want to reduce this size. You will highlight, that is Control A. Then you come to this part, then you pick the size you want to reduce it to. So this is fine. And then with this now, I can still look for more other elements. Children. Children toys. Okay, I want to play around with children toys. So I just want to play around with this so that it will look inviting when the children are hardly seeing it. So I can even use this to write my class rules. So maybe in the school now there's a rules in the classroom, new rules. You can use this to create that and use that in the classroom. So give it a try, and I will be right back with more videos on how to use Canva in the classroom. We just designed from the scratch, and I'll be creating more videos. So see you in the next class.